Blender tayo guys ng siling demonyo guys. Grabe oh. Yan. Blender natin yan guys. Malupit ang blender na to guys. Pwede yan pang karne guys. Siling demonyo yan guys. Grabing pulang-pula guys. Yan natin pang ano natin sa ating sausawan. Mga shout out yan sa mahilig kumain ng may sanghang. Gamot sa almoranas to guys. Sili guys. Siling demonyo yan guys. May halong siling labuyo yan guys. Ganda guys. Yan. Oh, kita mo guys oh. Kita mo yan guys. Ganun yan guys. Wala na tong halo guys. Puro siligan guys. Yan. Magandang klase to guys na blender guys oh. Stainless yan guys. Stainless. Yan. Okay, alright. Puno na guys yung ating konsumo guys oh. Yan oh. Ha. Daming blade to guys. 4 ang blade nito guys. Ayan guys oh. Hanggang ilalim yan guys oh. Napaka-lupit talaga guys. Kahit karne guys. Pwede dito guys. Ano masasabi nyo? Comment down below. Blender natin guys oh. Grabe ka pula-pula guys. Talagang chop-chop nito guys. Lahat guys. Yan. Siling demonyo. Okay, alright. Oh, maraming salamat sa iyo guys. Grabe ka anghang guys. Amoy pa lang guys. Lupit guys. Puno na yating konsumo yan. Pag isang linggo lang yan guys. Isang linggo lang yan guys. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Okay, right.